In this video, Dr. Walsh is going to show us how to properly foam roll the iliotibial band, or the IT band. The IT band is a big, thick, fibrous piece of tendon that runs from the side of the knee right up the lateral thigh to the hip. It's a big contributor in a lot of knee and hip issues. It often gets very tight and very restricted on a lot of people, especially runners and bikers. So Dr. Walsh is going to show us how to foam roll it. She's going to start just by sitting on the roller. What we don't want to do is we don't want to come directly on the IT band. We typically want to roll the front part, the front border of the IT band, and the posterior back border of the IT band. So we're going to start by showing the front border. She's going to come down almost into a side plank position. She's on her right side. She's going to bring her left foot in front. So her left foot can take a lot of her body weight off that roller because this is not the most comfortable position. She's going to start high up on that hip but not on the bone. Her body's going to lean forward so that she's not directly on the IT band but on the front border. And she's going to roll from the hip right down to that knee. And you can see her hands just kind of crawling back, and her left foot is giving her some stability and support. And as with any other area, she's going to do 5 to 6 nice long, slow passes. Long, slow, and painful passes. And if she finds any tender points, she's just going to keep pressure on them, maybe rock back and forth on them just to get a little bit more pressure and impact. And once that spot dissipates or 30 seconds have passed, she's going to continue on right down the front side of that IT band. She's going to keep her core nice and tight, legs nice and strong. Once you've completed rolling the anterior, the front side of the iliotibial band, we can move to the back side or the posterior side. For this, Dr. Walsh is just going to move her leg to the back side to take some pressure off of that right leg, and she's going to roll from the top of the hip right back down to the knee, but more focus on the back side of that iliotibial band. Same process as with the front side of the anterior, 5 or 6 nice long slow passes, stopping to put pressure on any tender points she finds. Now, if this does not provide enough intensity and you need more pressure on that IT band, what you can do is stack your legs. That applies all the body weight right onto that foam roller. And again, you want to stay either on the anterior or the posterior of that iliotibial band.